Ever wanted to take your eye sketches from basic to mind-blowingly realistic? Stick with me and I'll show you how I went from this to this to this. Trust me, it's easier than it looks. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into drawing a hyper-realistic eye. I'll show you the mistakes to avoid, how to fix common issues, and get your drawings looking like this final piece right here. Okay, let's start with what not to do. Here's an example of a common mistake: a flat eye. It's very basic. See how there's no depth, the lines are stiff, the iris is way too uniform. If this is how you're drawing eyes right now, don't worry, I'm sure you're not alone. In this eye drawing, I start by sketching a circular shape for the eyeball, then refining it into an almond shape for the eye. Next, I draw the iris in the center, followed by the pupil. After that, I add the eyebrow above the eye. Once the structure is in place, I shade in the pupil and add lines radiating from the pupil for the iris, making sure to darken the edge of the iris for more depth. After that, I add the upper eyelashes, giving them a natural curve, and finish by drawing the lower eyelashes, which are typically shorter and sparser. Okay, now we do the hyper-realistic eye. In this first step, I start by sketching a light almond shape for the eye. This forms the basic outline and helps set the foundation for placing the iris, the pupil, and other details later. Here I've drawn the iris and the pupil, with the iris partially covered by the upper eyelid for a more natural look. I've also added the outline of the eyelids to give the eye more structure. There's some light shading below the eye to begin giving it dimension. The next steps will focus on refining these elements. At this stage, I've shaded in the pupil, making it dark and rich to create contrast. I've also added radiating lines in the iris to give it texture and depth. The edge of the iris has been darkened to enhance the roundness of the eye, and I've left space for highlights to bring out a realistic reflective quality later on. In this next step, I've added more details to the drawing, including the eyebrow with short, fine strokes to mimic individual hairs. I've also started refining the eyelids and added shading to define the form more clearly. The next steps will involve adding more shading to the eye area and further refining the eyelashes and overall contrast. At this stage, I've added more shading around the eyelids and detailed the eyebrow with fine strokes. The eye now has more depth and dimension. Next, we'll refine the shading further and add eyelashes to complete the look. At this stage, I've refined the shading and added the eyelashes for a more realistic look. The next and most important step is adding the reflections in the eye, which will give it a lifelike, shiny quality and truly make the drawing pop. These highlights will make the eye appear more three-dimensional and vibrant. And there you have it, a fully shaded and realistic eye. Remember, the key to realism is patience and layering. Don't be afraid to take your time and build up your shading gradually. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like, comment and subscribe.